Hello, welcome to the CDO Magazine interview series. I'm Steve Kleinmann with Moody's Analytics. Today I have the pleasure of talking with Todd James, Chief Data and Technology Officer at 8451. So just to introduce myself, I'm Steve Kleinmann. I'm an industry practice lead, and I'm responsible for guiding our customers and our Moody's internal groups with their data strategy and best practices around master data management and sales marketing use cases. Been working in this capacity for several B2B data analytics providers. And before then, I led a data management consultancy for about 15 years, helping dozens of clients with their data management needs, gaining actionable insights from data. So, Todd, please tell me about yourself.
Well, Steve, nice to be here with you today and to participate in the CDO Magazine interview series. So very nice to have that opportunity. So by way of introduction, Todd James, I'm the Chief Data and Technology Officer at 8451. I've been here for about a year and a half now in this role. And just to give you a sense for who 8451 is, we're a retail data science, insights, and media company. We're a wholly owned subsidiary of the Kroger company. And within my capacity as Chief Data and Technology Officer, I have responsibility for the product management, engineering, data science, consumer research, shared service capabilities, and 8451 labs within 8451. Additionally, I have responsibility for Kroger BI and data product organization. So I have a great role that gives me an opportunity to have an impact on both our commercial side of the business at 8451, as well as within the Kroger company. Prior to that, I spent about 15 years at Fidelity. I held a variety of strategy, operating, and analytics roles. Most recently, I built out the data and analytic capabilities, a global shared service for two of our business areas, ran across enterprise AI, and co-led the movement around personalization. Basically played a big role as Fidelity really leaned in on advanced analytics and AI. Prior to that, ran a variety of tech services and consulting businesses across the country, and I got my start in the United States Coast Guard. So, kind of shuffled between ships, business, and data throughout my career.
Well, that's a great career, and I guess we're here really to talk about how we can use data and analytics to gain insights for actionable decision making, right? And developing some agility around adapting to the changes that come our way. And in your case, you work with both business to consumer and business to business markets. And there's some similarities there between our companies, 8451 and Moody's. We both handle big data and collect a lot of information, first party. Our customers use our data as third party information. And so we have to rationalize thousands of data sources, right? And derive those insights through analytics. And, it sounds like we both have media divisions that help understand the signals and derive some trends around the data and support our customers' needs. To that said, I guess I'd love to hear how you use retail data to drive your insights for Kroger.
I'd be happy to, Steve. I'll just start by saying, at 8451, we're retail data science, we're an insights, we're a media company. And at our core, we help the Kroger company, consumer packaged goods companies, agencies, publishers, and other affiliated partners really create more personalized and valuable experiences for shoppers across their path to purchase. We do this by the power of cutting edge data science. As you talk about big data sources, we leverage first party data from nearly 1 in 2 US households. That's about 60 million US households, and about 2 billion transactions to fuel a more customer centric journey that utilizes our 8451 insights, our 8451 loyalty, and our marketing, 8451 loyalty and marketing, and our retail media advertising solution, Kroger Precision Marketing. We do this as a result. We have the #1 shopper loyalty program. We also are #1 in grocery retail e-commerce data and the largest grocery data set in the United States. And as I look at the role, I think one of the things that makes me really energized is across the board. We use data to make people's lives easier, and I'm very excited and very energized around that mission.
That is a lot of data volume and velocity, I'm sure. So your insights that you gain help with the customer journey. And so I guess that goes for online as well as in the stores, right?
That's correct. Yeah.
Maybe give me an example of how you might be helping in the stores.
So as we look at the stores, a lot of that is we use data across the board, both in determining, what should we be putting on shelves to be relevant in particular geographic areas? How should that data be organized? We're doing optimizations that relate to promotion to make sure that in-store experience is very relevant.
Mhm.
And when you think, I mean, the number of combinations of what you can put on a shelf and the number of price points that you can put on there to be relevant for your customer, you're getting into combination numbers that are not defined by a word. I think in one case, if you're looking at 10 products across 4 weeks and you want to do 5 different price and promotion combos, you're looking at like 5 to the power of 40 different combinations. So that's an example where we're simplifying
Right.
the job of being able to determine what goes on the shelf through science, but we're also taking and making sure that what is on that shelf is very relevant to the customers and the geographic regions where they're in.
So the different consumers of your data are getting, I guess, all kinds of descriptive insights, but all kinds of predictive insights as well as to help them determine how to
Yeah,
best serve their customers and while they can make more profits, right?
yeah, I would say that there is, several things, and I would say it's across all of our consumers and our customers, both on the 8451 and the Kroger side. We want to use data to help people make better decisions,
Hmm.
be they a shopper or be they a category manager inside Kroger, be they one of our consumer goods partners to help them make better decisions. We also want to leverage data to help activate those decisions to simplify the experience as well. And you see that across our science across the board.
Right. Thank you, Todd. This has been a great discussion on using data analytics to gain insights for actionable decision making, how we can adapt better to the changes in the markets for our clients. So I just want to thank you. And for the audience, please visit cdomagazine.tech for additional interviews like this. And of course, you can find out more about Moody's and Orbis and 8451 from our websites. Thank you so much for attending.
Thank you.